Trigonometry. See, trigonometry is a topic in mathematics which was introduced by a mathematician called Hipparchus. What is trigonometry? What is the meaning of trigonometry? Let us discuss. Word trigonometry is derived from three Greek words. What are those words? Tri, gonia, metron. Tri, gonia and metron. Tri means three. Gonia means angle. Metron means measure. Tri means three, gonia means angle, metron means measure. So the three angle measure of a triangle is called trigonometry. So trigonometry deals with the relation between sides and angles of a triangle. Generally, trigonometry mainly deals with right angle triangles. So right angle triangles. It explains about relation between sides and angles of a triangle. It is useful in engineering. So it explains six ratios. in a right angle triangle. What are the six ratios? What are the six ratios? Let us see. Let us draw a right angle triangle first. So you know already, in a right angle triangle, 90 degrees opposite side is the largest side. It is called as hypotenuse. Mark the vertices A, B, C. In triangle ABC, angle B equal to 90 degrees. So AC is the hypotenuse. The first ratio, let us trigonometric ratios. There are three basic ratios and three reciprocal ratios. First one is sine, SINE. In shortcut we write it as three letters, SIN, sine. Suppose with respect to A I am taking, it can be indicated as sine A, means the relation between angle A and sine A is nothing but opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. So sine A is a ratio right here. Sine A is a ratio. It is not product of sine and A. Sine A itself is a ratio. It is opposite side to angle A by hypotenuse. Angle A opposite side is what? Here angle A. So its opposite side is BC. So A attached side, that is called adjacent side. So this is the first ratio, sine. We write it as sine A, SIN A. So next one is cosine. cosine. Cosine in shortcut we write as cos, C-O-S-A. It is read as cos A. Cos A is nothing but 9 A opposite side is noted as opposite side, 90 opposite side is noted as hypotenuse, the other side is noted as adjacent side. Adjacent means attached side one, that is adjacent side. Adjacent side to angle A by hypotenuse. Here see, sin A means opposite side to A is nothing but BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So cos A means adjacent side to angle A. Here we are taking A, so we have to take angle A. Suppose if we take C means we have to take opposite side of C and adjacent side of C. That is the change. So adjacent side to angle A means AB by hypotenuse is AC. Next, third one is tangent. So tangent ratio in shortcut we write as tan A. Tan A is nothing but sin A by cos A. Sin A by cos A. The ratio of above two ratios, that is in after cancellation we will get opposite side to angle A by adjacent side to angle A. Adjacent side to angle A. That is nothing but opposite side is what? BC. Adjacent side is AB. BC by AB. These are the main ratios, three ratios. So first one is sine. We write as sin A opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Simply we read as opposite by hypotenuse. Sin A is read as opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite means internally we have to read opposite to angle A. Which angle we are taking, that angle we have to consider. So next, sin A means opposite by hypotenuse. Cos A means adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan A means opposite by adjacent. So this is the shortcut we have to remember. Next one, reciprocal ratios. Reciprocal ratios. There are three ratios, no? So we will have three reciprocal ratios. In that, first one is cosecant. Cosecant in shortcut we write as cosec A. The full name is cosecant, shortcut we write as cosec A. Sine reciprocal of sine, that is nothing but 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A. Sine means opposite side by hypotenuse. So cosec means reverse, hypotenuse by opposite side. Hypotenuse is AC, opposite side is BC. So cosecant is nothing but cosec A 1 by sin A, reverse of sin A, that is hypotenuse by opposite. So next one, secant. Next one is secant. In shortcut we write as sec A, SEC. Secant A is nothing but 1 by cos A. Second one is cos, no? Reciprocal of cos. So here cos means adjacent by opposite, adjacent by hypotenuse. So cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Secant means hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is AB. Third reciprocal is cotangent. In shortcut we write as cot A. Cot A is nothing but 1 by tan A. 1 by tan A. Tan means opposite by adjacent. So cot means adjacent by opposite. That is nothing but adjacent is AB, opposite is BC. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Let us write them in a shortcut way. How to remember? So for remembering this one, trigonometric ratios. First one is sine. Sine A is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Second one is cos A. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Third, tan A. Tan A means opposite side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Next, fourth one, cosec A. Cosec A. Cosec A is reciprocal of first one, sine. That is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by opposite side. So fifth one, secant. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Reverse this one. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So sixth one, the last one is cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A. Tan A is opposite by adjacent. No, this one will be adjacent by opposite side. So sine means opposite by hypotenuse, cos adjacent by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent, cosec hypotenuse by opposite, secant hypotenuse by adjacent side, cot adjacent by opposite side. So in this way you have to remember. Thank you.